Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the crude oil future markets. Now, very interesting movements here in the crude oil markets, but before we get to that, as you can see today, we haven't really seen too much volatility. When the future markets opened late last night, we did see a shoot up towards $61 a barrel, but since then we have paired some of those gains, and we currently find ourselves trading at $60.22 a barrel. We did see some very interesting movements Friday evening. We shot all the way up to $60 a barrel. But Monday here, the markets in the US have been shut, so that's why we have seen some low volatility. But, markets in the US are set to reopen tomorrow, so that volatility should return. I think right now is a great opportunity to short the crude oil markets. You could argue that, yes, we are in a bull market, and we could, there is every chance that we could go up towards 65, potentially even $70 a barrel. But, $60 offers a large psychological number. A large psychological figure. Therefore, it should act as a resistance in the market. And I just feel like that $60 was an area where we were targeting, and we've now achieved that area. Look at the RSI, guys. We're trading well above 80 on the RSI, which tells us that we're overbought in the short term. So I think right now sets up for a fantastic short position, but it needs to be a calculated risk. Make sure you're using good risk management here if you are to short this market. So I think you should short this market down towards $58 a barrel. So I'm going to bring that take profit down towards $58 a barrel, and you could put a stop loss at roughly $61.50 a barrel, all the way up to 62, and that does give you a 1-for-1 risk reward ratio. A lot of people could argue that it's not the best, but I think that right now is worth definitely it's worth a go. I would definitely consider shorting the crude oil markets at these levels. 50-day EMA as well is all the way down at $52 a barrel. So if we did see a move down towards the downside, we could even go as low as $55 a barrel, and then if you put a stop loss up at 62 with a take profit down at $55 a barrel, then that gives you a fantastic risk reward ratio. So I am a short-term seller here in the crude oil markets, but with a very tight stop loss, and I'm not trading with large funds here because I do realize that we are in a bull market and there is every chance that we could continue the trend higher. So I will give shorting this market a go for the short term, but I'm going to be trading very cautiously.